Yo guys, what's up? Today we are doing another video, and what we are doing is a fidget spinner video. And the reason I said that so quick is probably because you read the title. And 2 improvements. No window in the background, just a normal wall. And my bed is, you can't see like much of my bed anymore. You can see the side of it, but not that much of it. And I've got a light here to make it more brighter on my face. So yeah, 2 improvements. So yeah, right. So let's get into reviewing this fidget spinner. So I got it off Amazon, multicoloured, two-sided fidget spinner, multicoloured, £3 to £4, which is pretty cool since it's look at that, it looks so cool, doesn't it? Looks cool. But I guess I'm going to show you some tricks now, so let's do that. Are these things screwed on? Yes. Yeah. First one, bounce on your finger. Easy. Right now, try and do it on my pinky. Done. Done. My big one again. Right, let's do that again. So big one. Then that one. Sorry, right. Yeah. So I can do it on my thumb. Do it on my middle finger. Do it on my my nail little finger. Oh my god! I can do it on my that finger. Then my pinky. Yes. So it's bagged a lot in this video. Sorry guys. But yeah, that's my fidget spinner. And let's compare it to a 3-prong one. So let's have a look at this one. Oh, that looks cool, doesn't it? So this is, whoa, the pattern is so cool on the 3-prong ones. And it stops. Whoa, it's so cool. And then it goes the other way. To me, it just looks like the fidget spinner is just spinning normal. But let's put that back down. Let's do the 2-sided one now. Cool. As you know, looks really cool. Full of pattern. And now we're gonna do, not the other 3-sided one, but this one, the spiky one. Let's go. Yeah, this is quite cool. It's quite mesmerizing and hypnotizing. I'm hypnotized. Yeah, but it's just normal. 2-sided. Yeah, easy to bounce on your thumb. And yeah, so this is. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and notifications on, because I'll be commenting. I'll be replying to some of you. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.